let's begin. Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? I'm so excited because today we're going to be playing around with the new Odens Eye collection, the Solmane 2 collection. It is so beautiful and it came in the fancy box. You know how much I love getting the fancy box. So very happy. I was trying to resist getting this collection for the longest time and I finally caved. Let me tell you why, but first let's start playing around with what we've got. So to start off with, we're going to be playing with the eyeshadow palette. Look how gorgeous. It is just beautiful. I love everything about it. Like literally everything about it. I just think it's perfect. It's absolutely perfect. So eye makeup first. I'm going in bare face in case I get fallout anywhere. You know how it is. So as always, I'm just going to put a little bit of concealer on my eyelids just to act as a primer. So from the collection, I picked up the eyeshadow palette, 2 blushes and 2 highlighters. And so far, I have no regrets. Okay, let's just jump right into this. Oh, those colors. I really want to do something colorful today. So that's what we're aiming for. So we're starting off with the shade Warm Light. It is a beautiful yellow. And I'm just gonna start to concentrate this on the very inner corner of my crease. Yeah, so I was really trying to resist getting this collection for the longest time because do I really need 7 billion eyeshadow palettes? No. So originally I thought, okay, what would I regret not picking up? And it was the highlighters and the blushes. So I just picked my 2 favorites of the highlighters and the 2 favorites of the blushes. And I was happy days. Odens Eye is quickly becoming one of my favorite brands. The shipping was so fast, and when I got the highlighters, I opened the package, I fell in love. I fell in love with everything about it. I thought it was wonderful. Honestly, it sounds really silly, but as soon as I got this out of the packaging, I was like, I have to get the eyeshadow palette as well. I just love the graphics, I love the designs, I love the colors. I know I'm gonna enjoy this. So I really didn't want to miss out. So I just put my order in right away to get the eyeshadow palette. And yeah, here we are. It was honestly so hard for me to pick what colors I wanted to use because they all look so beautiful, especially the shimmers. So I really am gonna try and use as many shades as I can. Now I'm gonna grab the shade Dream. It's this beautiful purple. We're gonna put this right in the crease next to the yellow. Oh my God, it's so pigmented. Oh my gosh. Odens Eye is just stepping it up and I'm here for it. I love it. And we're gently going to smoke it out a little bit on the outer edge. Now we're gonna go in with the shade Nebula. It is this gorgeous, really deep blue, a nice dark navy. And I'm just going to put the smallest amount on my very outer corner, just to deepen up and give us some dimension. Wow, I love it. I think it's so cool. It is so cool. Now it is time for the fun bit. We're gonna go in with the shimmers. Sometimes I would do a cut crease with concealer, but honestly, I just can't be bothered. I just wanna go straight in with the shimmer. So we're gonna go right in. I'm so excited. This is gonna be my favorite part. I just know it. So for our shimmers, I wanna use 3 different shimmers. We're gonna start off with the lightest shimmer and work to the deepest. Let's see how we go. You know I had to go in with this shade. This is by far a standout shade for me. So this is the shade Starry Sky. And look at that. Oh my God. Look at that glitter. Oh my gosh. I love it. Love, love, love. So this is just with a brush. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera. I'm just gonna go with my finger. Okay, wow. Wow. Okay, wow, that's a lot. Doing a cut crease would probably definitely take this to the next level, but we just can't be bothered. We're just going nice, messy, and fun today. Isn't that so beautiful? Ah, love it. And next we're going in with the beautiful purple. This one was also calling my name, so we have to use it. Going right in with my finger. We're gonna put this next to the beautiful gold shimmer and right on the center of the lid, because we're going to save the outer corner for a nice blue shimmer. You may be thinking this is too much shimmer, and you're not wrong, but we're going to keep adding more. Isn't that so cool? I love it. These shimmers, perfection. So now grabbing this beautiful blue shade in Deep Space, we're going to tap that on the outer. Look at that. Do you guys see that? Look at that. Isn't that just crazy? It doesn't get much better than that. There's a lot of color going on and I kind of love it. We're gonna move into the bottom lash line now, and I really wanna use these two beautiful greens here. Using the shade Neptune, I'm gonna put this on my bottom lash line. Actually, never mind. We're gonna do that after the rest of the face makeup. So I'll be right back with the rest of my face and we'll continue. Okay, and we're back. Let's try that again. So with the shade Neptune, we're gonna go in to that bottom lash line and smoke it out. And I have left my cheeks ready for the blush and the highlight. Now picking up this beautiful green shimmer, I'm gonna start off with a brush. We're gonna place this on the bottom lash line. I was just gonna do it in the center, but you know how much I love shimmer, so maybe we should just put it everywhere. Let's just put it everywhere. Beautiful. All right, let's finish off the eyes with some quick mascara so we can start to play around with the blushes and the highlight. So that's gonna do us for the eyes. I hope you guys like it. I think it turned out really cool. Let's move on to the blushes. So I picked up two blushes. These two blushes are the shimmery versions. I love the packaging. I cannot get over the packaging at all. It is the coolest packaging ever. So I got the Rosette Love and also Sienna Luster for the two blushes. Let's just do one on each side because why not? On this cheek here, I'm gonna put Rosette Love. Now, as you can see, it does have that little cast for the shimmer, which I'm fine with. I hate going into like the beautiful pans because I don't want to ruin that beautiful embossing that's on there. Oh my goodness. I don't know if you can see that. Wow. Love. Want more. I don't have a color like this in my collection actually. Oh my god, this is so nice. This is so nice. This is Rosette Love. This is gorgeous. Okay, so that's on this side. It's so pretty. Now for the other side, this is Sienna Luster. Oh, yes. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, wow, what a difference. Can you guys see that difference? So on this side, the Sienna Luster, I would say is much more orange, much more burnt, much more on the warmer side. And Rosette Love is a lot pinker, a lot lighter. Absolutely love them both. These are probably the prettiest blushes that I own in my collection. Actually, they would be. They are, oh my gosh. They really are, wow. Now let's move on to the highlighters. Again, gorgeous packaging. The blushes are in this sun type packaging and the highlighters are in the moon packaging, which I think is adorable. So the two shades I picked up is Warm Sunshine. I picked this shade because I thought it was the most wearable in the collection. And also Lavender Dream. I picked this up purely because it looks like perfection. Look at that in the pan. It is, I think, the prettiest in the whole collection, even without trying it. I just can't stop staring at it all the time. I'm just looking at it constantly. So let's test these out. I'll do one on each side again. We'll do Lavender Dream on this side with the more pinky blush, and we'll do Warm Sunshine on this side with the more orangey blush. Now, I know it already looks like I have, it really looks like I have highlighter on. It does. We're just gonna add more, why not? Okay, so this is Lavender Dream. I've been waiting for this moment. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Look at that, oh my god. Okay, I'm kind of scared. I have so much highlighter on already. Oh my god, can you see that? It is, what? Oh my god, it is like blue, shimmery, purple shimmery, oh my god. I don't know if you can see how colorful it is. That is cool. Wow. Okay, that took it somewhere. That is so glittery, I love it. This would be so fun just to wear with nothing else on your face. Okay, well that is the coolest thing ever. I barely used any of what was on my brush, so you don't need a lot at all. And now let's go in with Warm Sunshine on the other side. Okay, so this is nowhere near as glittery, which is good because I did want more of a wearable one. Oh, hey, I don't know if you can see, I got a little visitor on my chair who just popped up. Hi, Luna. Okay, we really took it there again. It is beaming, beaming, beaming on both sides. Crazy. Now, are these the best highlighters in my collection? Yes. Yes, I think they are. They're probably the coolest, prettiest highlighters in my collection. Tell me which one you guys prefer, if you go more wearable or the fun, little, ridiculous, crazy one. All right. See, she just pushes my arm to come on in. Thanks for joining us. Okay, so that completes my quick review. Oh, by the way, did I give you a review on the eyeshadow palette? It's perfection. It's great. I love it. It is so colorful. I'm so happy I got it. I was trying not to pick this collection up, and I'm glad I caved because I think it is beautiful. I can't stop staring at it. I love the shimmers so much. I can't wait. What are you eating? I can't wait to try more eyeshadow looks and just play with the shimmers because they're perfect and I love them. If I had to pick one item from this collection, it's a hard choice. I think I would, oh my gosh, what would I pick? I would probably pick the blushes, and I never thought I'd say that just because these blushes have that beautiful sheen in it already. Yeah, I think my favorite would be the pink one, which was Rosette Love. So that is the one product I would highly recommend, but I'm so happy I got what I picked because I love it so much. I'm so happy. If you want to see more looks with the eyeshadow palette, please let me know. But thank you guys so much for joining us and watching this review. I really hope you enjoyed it and liked the look. Tell me what you want to see next. I hope you have a wonderful day. We love you and we'll see you in our next video. Bye!